Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Often you'll want to move text from one spot to another in your document. More commonly, you'll want to copy text you've already created to multiple other areas of the document or to a different document entirely. Thankfully, Word makes this frequent occurrence easy to manage. If you examine the standard toolbar, you'll notice there's a button grouping of Cut, which looks like some scissors, Copy, which looks like two pieces of paper, and Paste, which should look like a little clipboard. These are the buttons that we use to move text. In addition to the toolbar buttons, there are also menu commands that perform the same function. If you click the Edit command in the menu bar, you can see Cut, Copy, and Paste are listed as choices. You can even use your mouse or your keyboard to cut, copy, and paste. It's so important that there are multiple ways of doing it. Now, they all perform the same function, and there's no single right or wrong way to cut, copy, and paste. They all work. But there are a few tips you should know before attempting to cut and paste, which actually takes text and moves it, versus copy and paste, which is copying the text, leaving the original, and then pasting the copy to a new location. The first thing is that when you cut or copy an item, the item is placed on the Word clipboard. So if I select this text, and then I click the Copy button, it's being held in temporary memory, which we call the clipboard. In Word 2003, XP, and 2000, you may actually cut or paste multiple objects at a time by using the clipboard feature. Now in 2000, the clipboard was a toolbar that you could access by going to View, Toolbars, and then choosing Clipboard. So here we can see the object that we would paste. In the 2003 and XP versions, the clipboard is now a task pane view. So if we go to View and Task Pane to enable that, click the drop down at the top of the task pane and choose Clipboard, we can see the different items that we've copied. So if you copy an object, and then let's say you copy a secondary object by selecting it and clicking Copy, as long as you have the clipboard open, you'll be fine. You can copy the second object without first pasting the first object. However, if you're using Word 97, you may only copy and paste one object at a time. If you try to copy a second object, it will remove the first object, and if you haven't pasted it yet, it will be lost. Just remember, the Undo button can fix most mistakes. So once you paste an object, it isn't lost from the Word clipboard. So for example, let's say we wanted to paste the text. You have many options for moving text into another location. I could simply insert my insertion point where I'd like to paste it, and then I can either click Paste on the toolbar to paste the most recently copied object, or if you're using the clipboard, you can simply click on the one you'd like to paste. Notice it still remains in the clipboard, so you can actually repeatedly click Paste to copy something to many different locations. You don't have to recopy it each time. Just copy it once, paste it in the first place, click where you want to go next, paste it in the second place.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.